a lot faster than I expected.
That's easy. Okay, I guess I'm gonna listen to the straight pipe now.
Okay, let's see if, first of all,
That was fast.
That's what happens when you have good blades. I buy Milwaukee's. They stay sharp.
Ooh, I wanna start it.
Oh yeah, I guess not.
okay, so this is not gonna go on.
What then?
Here, down.
That's not good.
Well, all we have to do is run up to O'Reilly.
We might be able to,
Dad, if we cut the slit,
Or like the slits, you know, I said you wanted to cut the slits.
and then it would just be flexed.
Yeah, it just.
yeah, actually that's, so let's cut some.
Wait, straight pipe. Straight pipe. I'll hear it.
Well, give me the Glasspacks. I want to see how much, if we have to cut more out. Right here. We need to,
That's a lot bigger.
we don't want to take anything more off that side. Slips right over there. Right.
We could just pull it out more.
We could get those like don't they have like the angled ones? Do they? Yeah, don't they have like the O'Reillys? Alright, I wanna hear it straight pipe.
Actually, we can do this side without.
We're cutting into the glass pack? Or no? Cause don't we still have to cut the slits?
We have to cut the slits on that right there. And then we fit it into that, and it would be flexed, so it would be stronger, I guess.
Does that fit?
Here, let me help
Or do we
you.
need to cut?
The spring goes by, just tap it.
So we maybe need to cut off a little bit more.
Yep, I would say like an inch maybe.
Does that adapter fit on that pipe?
Well, it's thicker here than it is there, Dad.
But this just sits on there.
It's close.
Maybe if you guys file a bit of the metal off on the inside, we could get it to fit
Or
easier.
maybe we could just cut off like an inch.
Yeah, I'd rather not cut into
Does a muffler fit on the other pipe on the exhaust pipe part? On the lead? It goes on there, right?
This one, this goes on, so we don't need the adapter on this side.
Okay.
But I'm wondering if we just went and got a tip that comes out.
You just put a tip straight out and down.
Put tip, have it just go straight out the side.
Yeah.
Oh, true.
That'd work.
that'd be
It'd
better.
be easier.
Well, plus then that wouldn't be all.
So we need to find a tip.
And
for
plus this one's really rusty and old.
that goes.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
And we just get rid of that. We hang this.
Cut it straight off the end.
If we can hang this.
Well, maybe we could get a.
That tip shouldn't. If we can get it to come down enough.
Then we could get another tip and then go through this clamp, and then
If we got like.
That tailpipe won't go in there, huh?
No, it's just a little bit.
I want to hear it straight pipe.
yeah.
All right, let's start it up.
Oh, I want to start it.
Okay, you got the video rolling?
Yep.
Because the guy
No, I'm
could
starting it.
take and split this so that it's spread around that pipe. That's
We're eventually going to put a tip on there. But, so I wonder if we go up and just see if we can find a tip.
That's fine.
Alright.
Yes, Derek.
What's wrong with the ugly deformity?
Nothing. He just calls it that because he's Derek. He just, I don't know.
Foot on the brake. You got a foot on the brake?
Don't keep your head away.
Good idea.
Foot on the brake. Left foot on the brake is moving the right foot to the accelerator.
Wow, that's a lot better.
Rev it up a little.
Beautiful man. Yeah, we're good. Are you sure it's not going to be hot?
Now rev it up. No help to yourself, you mean it?
A little bit more.
That sounds awesome.
Alright. Kill it.
I like the brake.
Yeah, I think I like the straight pipes a little bit better. Not gonna lie. Oh no!
Alright, so
Honestly, the straight pipe comes. Straight pipe sounds nice, but so does the glass pipe.
Both of them sound nice.
Yeah,
I don't think we're supposed to straight pipe.
you can. I've seen people do it.
Remember,
Hunter,
Hunter straight up.
you had a Grand Prix.
So the options are we can go get a tip and try to find a tip that fits over this
Out the side.
and go out the side. And then you would have a silver tip sticking out here. Right,
Do you think it would come out far
right
enough?
here, right behind this.
Do you think it come out far enough?
We
Oh,
we
yeah.
could make it stick out. We could put those adapters on there and move it out.
Does
We
it
need
kind
to.
of